Welcome to the ultimate guide to credit management in 2024. In today's fast-paced world, managing your credit is more important than ever. With the rise of online shopping, digital payments, and easy access to credit cards, it's easy to get carried away and find yourself in debt. But fear not, with the right knowledge and tools, you can take control of your credit and build a strong financial future. The first step to successful credit management is understanding your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness to lenders. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to be approved for loans and credit cards at favorable terms. Your credit score is based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit accounts, and types of credit used. To improve your credit score, start by making all of your payments on time. Payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score, so it's crucial to pay your bills on time every month. If you have trouble remembering to make payments, consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Another key factor in managing your credit is keeping your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to the total amount of credit available to you. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. To lower your credit utilization, consider paying off existing balances or requesting a credit limit increase on your credit cards. In addition to managing your credit score, it's important to monitor your credit report regularly. Your credit report contains information about your credit accounts, payment history, and any negative marks, such as late payments or collections. By reviewing your credit report regularly, you can catch any errors or fraudulent activity and take steps to correct them. If you find any errors on your credit report, you can dispute them with the credit bureaus to have them removed. It's also a good idea to check your credit report for signs of identity theft, such as accounts you don't recognize or inquiries from lenders you haven't applied to. If you suspect that you're a victim of identity theft, contact the credit bureaus and your creditors immediately to report the fraud and protect your credit. In addition to monitoring your credit report, consider signing up for credit monitoring services to receive alerts about any changes to your credit report. These services can help you stay on top of your credit and detect any suspicious activity before it impacts your credit score. Finally, to maintain good credit, it's important to practice responsible credit habits. This includes only applying for credit when you need it, avoiding carrying high balances on your credit cards, and not closing old accounts that can help boost your credit score. By following these tips and staying informed about your credit, you can take control of your financial future and build a strong credit profile in 2024 and beyond. Thank you for tuning in to the ultimate guide to credit management in 2024. Remember, with the right knowledge and tools, you can achieve financial success and secure a bright future for yourself and your loved ones.